it's Miss Peacock here. So today we are going to learn about our last and fifth text structure, which is problem and solution. And I already know what you're thinking. You're like, Miss Peacock, I've been doing problem and solution since kindergarten. Well, guess what? You're right. So this should be an easy text structure for you to identify and see how it works within a text. So let's take a look at our anchor chart real quick. So when an author is doing problem and solution, a lot of times the structure of the text is that they start off with the problem, and then the next paragraph will be the solutions or the way that the problem is being solved. So with problem and solution, the sentences and the paragraphs are connected through something that went wrong, and then they give you different methods of how they're going to fix it. Okay, so when you're looking for problem and solutions, the two things you want to ask yourself is, number one, what is the problem that the author is arising, or what problem are they telling us about? And then the second thing you want to ask yourself is, what solution does the author present to solve the problem? Now, there are lots of clue words for problem and solution, so we're going to look at them, but don't forget when you go to do your assignment today, they will also be listed at the top. So if you can't find one of them, they will all be there so that you can reference it, okay? So some clue words to let you know that you're finding a problem and solution is words like answer, as a result of, because, consequently, in order to, leads to, reasons for, problem, solution, so that, and therefore. So we're going to look at two examples real quick, and we're going to see if we can find some of those clue words that let us know, hey, this is a problem and a solution text structure. So here's our first example. It says, Tom's Shoe Company wanted to improve the lives of people in poverty. Poverty means that you're poor and you don't have a lot of money. Therefore, they developed a new type of business model for selling shoes while helping. For each pair of shoe a customer bought, Tom committed to donating a pair of shoes to a person living in poverty. So my first question to you is, what is the problem? What is the problem that Tom is trying to solve? Well, if you said the problem that he's trying to solve is that he wants to provide shoes to people that are in poverty, that is correct. So his solution for how he's going to do this is, what does his business do? If you said that his business decides that for every pair of shoes someone buys, he's going to donate a pair, you are correct. And our clue word that we know that this is a problem and a solution relationship is the word therefore, and it's right here. It says, therefore, they developed a new type of business model for selling shoes. Okay, so that is one example of a problem and a solution text structure. So let's look at another example. So try to keep those clue words in your head as we read this one out loud. It says, stink bugs have caused many problems since they were introduced into North America. They damage fruit, they bother people, and they harm crops. One solution is a species of wasp that originally comes from Asia. This wasp is the predator of a stink bug. Scientists hope that this wasp could help solve the stink bug problem. So my first question for you is, do you see any clue words in this paragraph that let us know, hey, this is a problem and a solution text structure? Okay, if you said the word right here where it says one solution, then you're right. That's an example of how we know that this is a problem and a solution text structure. So my next question to you, very smart third graders, is, what is the problem in this example? What is the problem that the author is telling us that they're trying to solve? If you said that the problem is that the stink bugs have caused damage to the fruit and they bother people and they harm the crops, then you are correct. So the problem is the stink bugs. So now my question to you is, what is the author's solution? How are they going to get rid of these stink bugs? If you said that the author's solution is that scientists took a group of wasps that were from Asia, then that is correct. So they're using the wasp to get rid of the stink bugs. So today, what you're going to do next is you are going to be reading an article about a dolphin, and you're going to be looking for those problem and solution clue words, and you're going to identify for us what is the problem in the article and how does the author solve that problem. Good luck. If you guys need any help, remember, contact your teachers, and we're here to help you guys. Bye.